The Rockchip RV1126 chips core board or development board is very powerful, including AI-IPC face recognition. A client requested that we create a demo video to demonstrate this feature. The following are the test steps for using the face recognition function. 1. First, connect the development board and the computer with a network cable, paying attention to the same LAN IP address. 2. In the browser, type the web IP management address to access the parameters setting page. For the details of this operation, please see my other video. The link is in the description. 3. On the web UI management page, under Config, select both face detection enabled and face recognition enabled. 4. On the member list page, add a new member to the list and upload a picture of your own face. 5. Hold the board in camera at the tester for a few seconds, the person with the registered face and the person without the registered face. 6. The test results are displayed on the control page. The registered face will record the time captured by the camera, and other commands such as opening the door can be triggered later. The unregistered face has no event record. Thank you for watching, and please let me know if there are any other features you'd like to see.